Home treadmills are one of the best home workout machines that can help increase and maintain your cardiovascular fitness, aid in fat loss, and promote healthy body weight. There are many products available to choose foldable treadmills, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best home-use foldable treadmills from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products are very helpful people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. XTERRA TR150 Folding Treadmill. The TR150 is no longer a commercial-grade system. It does have quite sturdy construction. It offers 10 miles per hour maximum speed and additionally has a manual incline. All the steel elements in the frame are made with a corrosion-resistant paint finish. It comes with a sturdy build that can last for a long time. The only plastic parts are found on the dashboard, covers, and motor cover. It can easily hold weights up to 250 pounds. The XTERRA TR150 isn't always as big as a business trainer. It's still 63.4 inches long and 28.75 inches wide. It is great to note that it is also foldable. When folded, you can keep it in small spaces. This is great, especially if you have limited space in your home. It offers a running surface of 50 inches long and 16 inches wide. A person taller than 183 centimeters may additionally find this short for an enjoyable stride. But for short people or those of middling stride, it is an excellent option. As it isn't an expensive option, it comes with a manual incline system. This cushioning device includes 3 shock absorption factors on every facet of the deck. The XTERRA Fitness TR150 is geared up with a 2.25 horsepower motor. The unit's motor gives a speed range between 0.5 miles per hour and 10 miles per hour. While this isn't a very powerful motor, it should be sufficient for your regular needs. Number 2. Sunny SFT4400 Folding Treadmill. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT4400 is a simple, budget-friendly treadmill that is ideal for someone looking for a walking treadmill. Sunny SF works well for walking workouts for a long time. The motor that runs this machine is a 2.20 peak HP motor that provides a reliable, smooth, and noiseless operation that you can use to reach speeds from 0 to 9.0 miles per hour. This treadmill is rated for users who weigh up to 220 pounds, and the pounding of jogging or running can cause too much impact for this treadmill to handle. However, that doesn't mean you can't get a good workout in. This treadmill has manual incline available, and you can go from 0% incline to 4.37% by moving the incline positioning feet. Sunny SF is equipped with helpful features like hand grip pulse monitors, handrail control keys to change the speed, soft drop folding system, a safety stop key, tablet rack holder, and more. This treadmill's small size and lightweight construction, and easily used at a small home or apartment as it doesn't take much space even when in use. It can also be easily folded up and rolled away on its built-in wheels, which is a major plus if you need a treadmill you can store when it is not in use. Sunny SF treadmill comes with lubrication oil as well as the required set of tools for assembly and maintenance over time. Number 3. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. The Goplus Superfit is unique in its ultra-compact size and 2-in-1 design. This is a good option for users who are short in space and interested in the convenience and versatility this affordable treadmill provides. With the handrail folded up, it can support speeds up to 12 kilometers per hour, 7.5 miles per hour. And with it folded down in walk mode, it tops out at 4 kilometers per hour, 2.5 miles per hour, and can even be used at a standing desk. While one could try to run on it, the 40 inches to 16 inches tread surface makes it best for shorter strides while walking, power walking, or very light jogging. The Goplus is ideal for the user who wants to elevate the heart rate and burn some calories. It is not meant for any serious training. When you're finished using it, fold the handrail down, and it can be stored in a closet or slid under a bed or couch when not in use. Number 4. NordicTrack 1750 Commercial Folding Treadmill. The NordicTrack Commercial 1750 is a top-ranked folding treadmill, also constructed with power decline. NordicTrack 1750 is one among the nicest treadmills for iFit coach workout routines with simulated outdoor routes. It comes with such features as Bluetooth speakers, touchscreen compatibility, auto incline and decline, and more. It comes with the iFit Coach app. iFit gives customers unlimited customized workouts through their month-to-month membership. If you have the app synced with Google Maps, you can plan a route of your choice, and the app will let it be as if you were actually running on the route. This is usually a very immersive program. The treadmill will simulate the terrain. It features easy lift technology which allows you to put it away easily and compactly when you aren't using the treadmill. It can carry up to 300 pounds. You can pound on it without any damage. NordicTrack 1750 performance specifications consist of a high pleasant 3.75 horsepower motor, energy incline, decline, and deck suspension with firmness settings. All these ensure that it is a powerful, reliable unit capable of helping with intense workouts. Heart rate tracking permits users to correctly keep track of their development and achieve the mission of improving their cardiovascular abilities. The belt is wider than what you might be used to. However, this ensures better stability. Number 5. UREVO 2-in-1 Under-Desk Folding Treadmill. UREVO 2-in-1 Under-Desk Folding Treadmill is designed as a treadmill used for running fast as well as under-desk walking machine, which is convenient to keep exercising during working. 16.9 inches widened running belt, making running or walking on this treadmill more freely. The 5 layers non-slip running belt and silica gel column support will greatly absorb shock to provide cushioning for knee, muscle, and joints. The LED display and remote control make it easy for you to track speed, distance, time, and calories in real time, and no need to switch the display manually during exercise. Using the remote controller to change the speed or stop the running machine. 2.5 horsepower powerful motor. With a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor offering large load-bearing ability up to 265 pounds, the sturdy running machine allows you to run up to 7.6 miles per hour with the frame up and walk up to 3.8 miles per hour under the desk by the remote control. Non-assembly design and space-save design. This 2-in-1 treadmill arrives fully assembled and can be used directly after unboxing. Foldable design and transportation wheels allow for easy mobility, and portable foldable treadmill for storage. Fold it up and walk away in one easy step. It's perfect for home, apartment, and office use. That's all from my end. I create helpful videos every day, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of question or problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is beautiful, so enjoy every bit of your life with our amazing products, as it is going to make your life so much easier. Thanks for watching my videos. Have a great day.